Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Up and welcome back to Sarah Up TV. In today's video I'm going to try out this color protection shampoo by Evemore, and because my neighbors were making such a noise, I wasn't able to do the welcome in the beginning of this video, so that's why I'm doing it right now with orange hands already. I wanted to give my hair a light orange pumpkin peachy highlight because I used to dye my hair a lot, and in my ends there's still a rest of it, and I would like to tone that a little bit out. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will link everything down in the description box below, and yeah. Hello! Yeah, that's the sound I'm living with the past days. Yeah! Anyways, just keep my mouth shut and let's do this video. Yeah. Okay, first things first. This is my hair before using Evemore semi-permanent hair color depositing shampoo. Yeah, by the way, I was wearing a bun all night long. That's why my hair is so fluffy and curly. I haven't even seen it myself. Damn it, the coloring in my ends became patchy and has some almost green spots. Ugh. Thanks universe, Evemore presented me their semi-permanent hair coloring depositing shampoo on time. This is Evemore Semi-Permanent Hair Color Depositing Shampoo, developed to stop fading and fast color loss after bleaching and dyeing your hair. It is color replenishment and locking at once without damaging your hair and scalp, because it contains plant extract like Rhodiola rosea and pea extract. It also contains multiple natural fruit oils like squalane and creatine to keep your hair hydrated and also repair your damaged hair. So, they say, put a suitable amount of the shampoo on your wet hair, then rub it till it gets foamy and leave it in for 5 minutes. Yeah, okay. Seems like my neighbor stopped with all the noise and I can start talking. The color itself is very high pigmented. They also say that we actually should use gloves to protect our nails from stains, but I was too lazy as always. The color itself is super intense. Look at it. It looks like, actually my hands look like I used some kurkuma. I know what it's like to have colorful hair, and I know colorful hair fades out very fast, and this is what this shampoo is made for. They also have different color varieties. They are actually just to renew and help stop fading out colorful hair color out of your bleached hair. But I have dark, almost black hair. But they also say that this color protective shampoo will also work on dark brown hair. Since my ends are a little bit brighter, because I did lots of hair dyeing in the past, there's still a lot of other different colors in it, which I don't like, which I don't want. And I thought this color protective shampoo by Evemore would help me with that. So yeah, let's see if this is working. Okay. I mean, I'm honest, and looks like nothing has changed. But, oh, I mean, I see some changings. A little bit, very, very slightly. First of all, I don't know if you can see this, but this very light and fine baby hair already have an orange shine. Oh, and here I have some very white hair, which isn't dyed yet. Why isn't it? It should have. Can you see this? This should have been orange now. I think I put another round on, and with a little bit more shampoo. I already noticed that it dried out my ends a little bit. My ends feel a little bit more dry now. But it's a color shampoo. I mean, this is normal. I think for me it's a balance between care and function. And this is how they look wet. If you guys wondering, I've been training a lot these days, as you can see maybe. Thank you. But yeah, let's keep on blow drying. And but me, I like it. Also my haircut at the moment looks so cool, right? Total different person again. Who's she? Who's she? Nobody knows. Yeah, I would say that's it for the first part. Just blow dried them, no styling, nothing in it yet. I wanted to see how it also cares my hair and how it protects my hair. It was so easy, and it's so highly pigmented so that it really, you can really see this kind of ombre in my hair right now. And it's actually ugly, outgrowing every color, every kind of bleach. Now it looks like it's on purpose like that, and I just made it at home, so easy. I mean, sure, I'm kind of expert in DIY hairstyle, hair cutting and hair dyeing, but even more in this case, I'm the perfect person to ask for that. Yeah, and it will wash out after 1 to 2 weeks, but this one is very highly pigmented. And I only can recommend it. Imagine you have bleached hair and just use this color shampoo, and you will achieve definitely a kind of pastel peach look, definitely, or just to refresh your hair color with this one. It's perfect. I can only recommend this. It's so easy and fast and looks so professional, like looks like from someone professional done, but I just did it at home. They also recommend using gloves while doing it. As you can see, I didn't do it. Stupid me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for giving me your attention. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure to follow me on my IG. Yeah, that's all for now. I wish you a great week ahead and bye.